Good morning, student. This is Shyam Sundar Sharma. Today I am going to teach you about the article that is called definite article. The is a definite article. It is used before singular and plural nouns in the following conditions. First, before nouns which have been mentioned earlier. For example, I saw a man, I saw a lion, the lion was sleeping under a tree. In the first sentence, I saw a lion. In the second sentence, the same lion was sleeping under a tree. We heard a noise. The noise came from a neighbor's house. Second rule, before superlative degree of the adjectives. Ravi is the best singer in the school. My uncle is the richest man in the town. Exceptions. These not used before if the superlative degree of adjective has been used after a possessive adjective such as my, his, her, their, your, our. He is my best friend. Mr. Dixit is our best teacher. Third rule. Before a noun confirmed by a phrase or a clause. The girl in the blue skirt is my sister. The man who went out is an excellent singer. 4. Before a noun which expresses the whole class or race of animals or things. The dog is a faithful animal. Here, the dog refers to the entire dog species. The elephant has a long trunk. Fifth rule, before the names of the rivers, seas, oceans, bays, deserts, islands, groups, mountains, rains, canals, jungles, and countries, etc. The Ganga, the Yamuna River, Arabian Sea, the Thar Desert, the Sahara Desert, the Bay of Bengal, the Gulf of Mexico, the Himalayas, the UK. These not used if the word lake has been used before the names of the lakes and mount. Has been used before the name of a mountain or peak. For example, Mount Everest, Lake Mansarovar. Sixth rule, they is used before adjective which has been used as noun. They represent a class of person. The brave always rule over the earth. Seventh, for unique and one and the only things of their kind in the world. The sun, moon, the sky, earth, the world, the Taj, the wall of China. Eighth rule. Before the names of direction, the east, west, the south, the north. Ninth rule. Before names which are in the form of adjectives plus noun. The National Highway, the New South Coast, the Gold Coast. Before religious books, musical instrument and scientific consequential ordinal numbers. The Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana and the flute, the fourth, the last, etc. 11th. In case if a comparative degree has been used twice. First, the more you have, the more you want. The sooner the better. When a proper noun is compared with some other famous person or place or thing. Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Kashmir is the Switzerland of Asia. 13. Before the names of religion, community, nationality, political parties, aircrafts, trains, and ships. The Hindus, the Sikhs, the Jats, the Vaishnavas, the English, the Indians, the Americans, the Congress, the BJP, the Nilgiris, the Kanishka, the Vikrant, the Chetak Express, to signify the entire family before plural surnames. The class, the Guptas, Gupta family, the Sharmas. 15. Before the names of body parts, he caught her by the hair. She grabbed him by the neck. In case of possessive adjective body parts, no article is used. He caught her hair. 16. Before dates and days of national importance, the 25th July, the 15th August, the 26th January, the Independence Day, etc. 17. Before words such as same, only, opposite, front, and beginning, the article is used. With all sort of plural noun, one of the plural noun, such each of, all the boys, some of the student, one of the girls, each of the winners. In the following condition, the article D is used.